Hi everybody. I am so excited to be with you today. Here we are in my kitchen and Sarah has on my phone. She'll show you my kitchen. Here it is. And we've got all kinds of stuff here today. You're wondering, what is all this stuff? Well, I really miss you guys. We have so much fun at Rhythm Band every Wednesday. So let's pretend right now it's Wednesday morning. It's 10:20 and you're finishing coffee break and you are coming into the gym. And Jason, you're already sitting there. I know you are. So usually Rick and Jerry put your instruments on your chairs. There's no instruments on my chairs and you guys aren't here in my kitchen. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you what you can do at home, wherever you live. You can get your family or your caregiver, or you can do it yourself, find some instruments. Now, maybe in your house you have some. Like I have these. And this, maracas, like we have at Rhythm Band. I've got this cool rain stick. It's pretty neat. Listen. Pretty soon I hope it rains here. And maybe you have a ukulele or a guitar. Colin, you've got your banjo. You get that out and play with us. So if you have an instrument, you can get it, okay? But most of us don't, because most of my instruments are in that brown box at Rhythm Band. So I'm going to put these away over here on my counter. And by the way, Frank, I have a harmonica, so when we play our songs, I'll play with you, okay? So we're going to move these over here and I'm going to show you what you can make at your house, all right? Let's say that you have a tambourine or shakers and you like to play those, but to give you a secret, you can play anything you want at your house, okay? So what I have here is some dice from my Yahtzee game. Do you guys play Yahtzee? I've got some dice from my Yahtzee game. And I have a Pringles can from Chips from Easter. I'm going to put them in here, put the lid on, and are you ready? Isn't that great? Or, that's pretty good, hey? So you can make that at your house. So I'm going to put that over here. And let's say you have a glass jar. This one's cool. This one looks like a bear, but any glass jar. Some pretty beads, or marbles, or rocks. Put them in there, put the lid on. You ready for this? And isn't it pretty? I think this is so cool. This was Sarah's idea, and I like the bear. So you can play that. And if you normally play a tambourine, okay, so Gloria, you can do this. And it still shakes like the tambourine, right? Isn't that neat? I like that. Put him here. And you can also get your wood blocks out. So this one, I've got 2 wooden spoons. Looking kind of old, aren't they? Maybe I should get a new one. 2 wooden spoons. So here we go. Danny, you're the leader in this area, right? So you can do it like this. Or this way. And Danny, you like to do it this way. Right? There you go. Henry. So that's our woodblock section, okay? 2 wooden spoons. We can use those for something else too. Now, who plays the hand drum? Tiffany, you like the hand drum. And where's all my drummers at the back? Ashley, you have your own sticks at home, right? Okay. So you get those out. Curtis, you have your own sticks at home too, don't you? So you can, maybe even you have a drum, I don't know. You can bang on whatever you like. But this is a good banger too, not too loud. I have a bread pan, which is really rusty. Maybe I never make bread. What can I say? Okay, so you can go like this. Or you can put it down and, right? Sean, are you doing it? You got your drumsticks? There we go. All right. Now, Sean and Kim, cymbals. I don't have much that makes any sound, so we're going to have crash cymbals today. If you have metal lids at home, they're better because I only have glass ones, but they're still good. They have handles. Kim, you're good at this, right? There we go. All right. So those are our crash cymbals or clash cymbals. Okay, now rubber bands. I got rubber bands. You can put rubber bands on anything you like. So I have them here. This is my pastry cutter. You know, when you're making pastry and you're going like this, I did this with a rubber band. So here we go. Ready? Right? Cool. Now, you want a bigger one? Watch this. Here we go. I have a coat hanger. And you can pretend it's a guitar, or you can pretend it's a harp, or you can just pluck it. Whoa, I just broke it. I will fix it. I guess I shouldn't do it like that. There we go. So, I woke up this morning, what did I see? Way up in the sky. Pretty cool, hey? It's like a harp. What else do we have here? Let's see, over here. Now, you're gonna play the bells, okay? To Roberta, I just took some pop bottle tabs and I put them on a rubber band. And there's some pretty colored ones here. And these can be my bells. So Frances, she might have bells at home. I don't have any bells. It's not Christmas. So here we go. So there's our bells playing. You can shake your bells all along. Sam, are you playing the bells or the clackers today? Here you go. There we are. Jason, you got your bells? There. Okay. Let's say you want to shake more. I got lots of shaky things. Here we go. What have we got here, Sarah? We got macaroni. We got more pop tabs. We have more dice. We could have marbles. We could have rice. We could have anything that is shaky in your house. Maybe you have lima beans or pinto beans, or maybe you have buttons, a whole jar of buttons. You could make a shaker out of those. So here we have macaroni. Macaroni with the lid, because guess what I did just before we started? I spilt this all over the floor. It's probably still on the floor. Oh well. So here's the macaroni. Now if you're having shakers, Jordan, right? You can make one like this. Now Jordan, you like to have 2 shakers, don't you? And Gwen? And Shauna? And you like to do this, right? If you made 2 of those, you could do that. And then I had this one with pop tabs in it. And I'm just going to close it up. Now, I made ones that you can see through, but you can make them out of a margarine tub or anything like that too. Now, Linda, you could use this too. You could pretend, right? There you go, here. There you are. This one's way louder. Okay, here we go. Okay. This is too much fun. We're going to have so much fun. And then I have, what are these measuring spoons? I thought these are pretty cool. This was Sarah's idea too. You guys have met Sarah. You can't see her right now, but she's holding the phone. You can just shake these or you can clap them in your hand. You can have a lot of fun. You can go ba da 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 dum bum 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 ba da 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 dum da da dum da da dum da da dum da da, and then you guys go da. Okay? I'm very excited. What have I got left? I have got a guitar. You just get your Kleenex box. I didn't even take the Kleenexes out of it. They're still in there, see? And then we put rubber bands on there. And we can play it like this. That's good. And then we can, now Scott was playing guitar with us. He could play along too. My grandfather's clock was too tall for the shelf, so it stood 90 years on the floor. That works great, doesn't it? It's just a Kleenex box with some rubber bands, some elastics on it. So that's just some ideas. Oh, I forgot. Two more. Big candy tin. And a tube from, I think it's from Christmas wrap. So here we go. Or and then the very last ones we have, I forgot over here. Okay, this is really cool. You just get a cookbook or something like that and a pencil, and you go, I like this one. It's kind of fun. Kind of tickles my fingers. You could use a paintbrush or a pen or a spoon. That's pretty cool. And, okay, I almost forgot my favorite ones. I thought I was done, but I have lots. Am I too messy here, Sarah? There we go. Okay. This is kitchen band now. We're having a kitchen party. Do you know what this is for? You're right. It's for grating cheese and other things. So you can get, I have this kind from IKEA. I got this one from Superstore. I had them a long time. So you take your spoon and your grater and you go okay, or you can go this side. Little. So when we're playing pianissimo, we go here. And what's the word for loud? Mike, you know. Right, forte. Right. And then this one is just a little different shape. I might have to take this one shut. Ooh. That one's cool. Right? Okay. Now, for those of you that want to play drums, and you're always asking me to play drums, and I say, I'm sorry, we don't have enough drums. You can play drums. So we've got some pie plates, and we have a strainer pot, and we have kitchen utensils. Now, be careful with pots because you can make too much noise and hurt your ears, or sometimes it's just too loud for the people you live with, and they say, stop it. So this is a rubber spatula. Okay, ready? Isn't that nice? That sounds like a goat bell. We could do this one for Edelweiss, right? Glenn knows that Edelweiss is a flower, don't you, Glenn? Okay. Edelweiss, Edelweiss. That would be nice. I like that. Remind me tomorrow I need to do that. And then, who plays triangle? Here we go. Jesse, Candy, here, Frank. Here's two different kinds of triangles. So it's just things from the kitchen, a bottle opener and a flipper. And then we're just gonna ting them. And this one, whoops. Remember I always say don't hit yourself in the face with them? Here's Elizabeth and Kurab. They came to say hi. Hi, guys. Say hello. Hello. Here we go. Here's our triangles. So you can just hang something that has a hole in the top with a rubber band. Hit it with a spoon. Yeah. Okay. Do we have anything left, Sarah? I think we got everything. So that's it. So tomorrow I'm going to make another video and we're going to do our music. So now you can go and find something to play at your house, okay? So we are going to go away now. We're going to practice our songs, aren't we, guys? Yep. These guys are going to play with me tomorrow. And because they come to rhythm band too sometimes, don't they? And David's going to be here. And we are going to have rhythm band practice. All right. See you later.